I am certain that some of you are giving up and may be wondering when you will actually be able to save the money you want. Keep your hopes high and don't worry, because I'll be showing you how to make at least $1,900 online today. You don't need any prior experience because this is so fundamental that even you can understand the process by paying attention to and heeding my instructions. Imagine living the life of someone who can earn almost $2,000 per day by using a device in the comfort of their own home. Once you discover the various online platforms that can actually earn you money, the possibilities are endless. Welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, we are going to talk about how to generate $296 with iOS or Android in just minutes. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. Go to the kickbooster.me website first. Then, click the affiliate marketer link in the top navigation. Following that, you will be taken to another page. 3 significant steps are involved in that. The first thing is that you must create a free account. It is incredibly easy to sign up. Likewise, it is totally free and accessible everywhere. The second step is choosing the campaign you want to use to generate revenue. There are a lot of campaigns, so I'll advise you which one to pick. After choosing a campaign, the third step is to obtain your special booster link, which you can then share and advertise online. You'll be able to learn a lot of commissions online as a result of this. In essence, that is how it operates. You only need to enter your name, email address, referral code if applicable, and password to register on kickbooster.me. The terms and conditions will then appear, and you simply need to click the Agree button. You can now log into your dashboard after signing up to access the marketplace. You will see various projects and campaigns that you can actually support and that will pay out a lot of commissions. I've already stated that I'll select the most effective campaign. The priority should be on categories first. Beginners are strongly advised to start with the health, design, and technology categories. Any of these 3 options is acceptable. They will automatically filter up all the campaigns after selecting a category. You can now view details about the product you intend to promote by clicking on a specific campaign. You can earn commission from all sales and referrals that you generate with this, which is 100% legitimate and tested. Consider the amount of money you could earn if you could receive 2 to 5 referrals each day. It will raise hundreds of thousands of dollars in a single day, which is incredible. Do you have any ideas for categories that might hook viewers? What are your thoughts? Comment down below and let us know. Once you have selected the campaign that you actually want to promote, all you have to do is click Boost this campaign to return to your dashboard. After that, click Share your booster link to be taken to your personal referral link, which you can then copy and use to begin advertising and spreading the link. You will continually make 10% commission each time someone uses your special booster link to purchase one of the packages. We'll now move on to how to distribute your referral link. Visit Quora.com now. You must register with an email address, first and last name, and password after landing on a homepage. Sign up for a free account by clicking I am not a robot. You can log in once you have created your free account. There are various posts on Quora where you can ask questions and receive answers. This is a very trustworthy platform to advertise your special link. Simply enter the keyword technology or your chosen category in KickBooster's search bar, and you will find a variety of posts where you can find your target audience's actual interested individuals. You can actually respond to these forum posts by clicking on those posts, and you can leave your affiliate link there. Following that, you have the chance to receive lots of clicks. The second option is to write your own posts with an affiliate link inside them, rather than responding to other people's posts. This will increase your exposure significantly and increase the number of people who click your link, which will increase the likelihood that people will view your campaigns. Clicking the download media link that you can see in your Kick Booster dashboard is another way to share your link. You can obtain the product's PDF version and use it to distribute it on other platforms, like Facebook. Many of you already have Facebook accounts, but if you don't, be sure to create one. Go to facebook.com and create one there for nothing. You can search for topics related to the campaign you are promoting after creating an account. You must perform a group filtering. When you click the group button, a list of Facebook groups will appear, and you can join any of them. You can see your target audience members here who have the potential to purchase products in one of your promoted campaigns. And this platform will introduce you to hundreds of thousands of people who are actually interested in the campaign. In fact, you can create a post or send an email. People can read more about the products on this page after clicking your affiliate link, which will take them there. They might even view the video, understand the details, and if they are interested, click on one of the various packages offered that range from $300 to $3,000 and are eligible for a 10% commission. Repeating the entire strategy will allow you to find various campaigns. If you want a faster way of sharing your link, you can use the permalink system, wherein basically you can permablast out any links that you want in 22 seconds. With permanent free traffic, and you have to get paid almost $400 every day. There will be no traffic, and it will help in getting many people to click your link. This software does all the labor-intensive work for you, so you don't have to mess around on social media, join forums, or build audiences because you will earn commission every time someone clicks on your link. Nothing complicated because this software provides you with ongoing free traffic that will increase your daily earnings by $200 to $400. This is another method for much simpler link dissemination. So now that you know all this information, are you ready to earn more? Comment down below so we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, head on over to our channel to see more from MoneyTalk. See you then!